Did you know there's a bird so small yet so powerful it can hover in midair, beat its wings faster than the blink of an eye, and even fly backward? That's right, I'm talking about the incredible hummingbird. In today's video, we're diving into 15 jaw-dropping facts about this tiny wonder of nature that will leave you amazed. Stick around because fact number 9 will absolutely blow your mind. From their heart-pounding speeds to their mesmerizing colors, hummingbirds are more than just cute little creatures. They're like mini superheroes of the animal kingdom. Ready to learn more? Let's get started! Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about nature, wildlife, and discovering amazing facts about the world around us, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Now, let's dive right into the magical world of hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, and they're much more than just tiny birds with a pretty face. These vibrant creatures are native to the Americas, from Alaska all the way down to Tierra del Fuego, and they've adapted to some of the most extreme environments on the planet. Whether it's hovering near flowers in a rainforest or darting through mountain ranges at breathtaking altitudes, hummingbirds defy expectations at every turn. What makes hummingbirds truly special is their size-to-power ratio. Despite being among the smallest birds in the world, they pack an incredible amount of energy and strength into their tiny bodies. Their remarkable ability to hover, fly backward, and cover great distances is a direct result of their rapid metabolism and unique anatomy. But that's not all! These birds are full of surprises, from their high-speed wingbeats to their iridescent feathers. They may be small, but they are mighty and absolutely fascinating. Let's dive into 12 incredible facts about hummingbirds that will make you see them in a whole new light. Fact 1. Super fast wing beats. Hummingbirds have one of the most unique flight patterns of any bird. Their wings beat at an astonishing rate of 50 to 80 times per second, depending on the species. To put that in perspective, most birds flap their wings just a few times per second. This rapid movement creates a blur of motion that allows the hummingbird to hover in midair, almost like a helicopter. This is one of the reasons why hummingbirds can maneuver so well, making them incredibly agile flyers. They can zip from one flower to another, change direction in an instant, and even hover perfectly still as they feed. Their fast wing beats are not just for show. This ability is crucial for their survival, allowing them to access nectar deep inside flowers that other birds can't reach. Fact 2. Backwards flight? No problem. One of the most unique skills of a hummingbird is its ability to fly backward. While most birds are limited to flying forward or gliding, the hummingbird has evolved to take full control of its movement in all directions. This incredible feat is made possible by their highly flexible ball and socket joints at the shoulder, which allow them to rotate their wings in a full 180-degree range of motion. This gives them complete freedom to hover, dart sideways, and of course, fly in reverse. Flying backward comes in handy when they need to retreat quickly from a flower after feeding or when avoiding predators. Watching a hummingbird fly backward is like watching a mini aerial acrobat in action. It's nothing short of mesmerizing. Fact 3. Heart of a warrior. A hummingbird's heart is one of the most powerful hearts in the animal kingdom. When in flight, their hearts can beat more than 1,200 times per minute. Compare that to the human heart, which beats around 60 to 100 times per minute at rest. This rapid heart rate is what keeps their tiny bodies fueled with oxygen and energy, allowing them to maintain their high-speed lifestyle. Hummingbirds need this intense heartbeat to survive, as they have one of the highest metabolic rates of any animal on Earth. Their hearts are literal powerhouses, working overtime to keep up with their demanding energy needs as they zip through the air at lightning speed. Fact 4. Tiny but mighty. When it comes to hummingbirds, size doesn't matter. The smallest hummingbird species, the bee hummingbird, weighs less than a penny. Despite their minuscule size, hummingbirds are incredibly tough and territorial. They have been known to fiercely defend their feeding grounds from much larger animals, including other birds and even small mammals. Don't let their small size fool you. Hummingbirds are aggressive when it comes to protecting their food sources, and they won't hesitate to chase off intruders. These little warriors may be small, but their mighty spirit makes them a force to be reckoned with in the animal kingdom. Fact 5. Feeding frenzy. Hummingbirds have an insatiable appetite for sugar. In fact, They need to consume about half their body weight in nectar each day just to keep their energy levels high enough to sustain their active lifestyle. That's the equivalent of a human eating dozens of pounds of food every day. Hummingbirds visit hundreds of flowers each day, using their long, specialized beaks to sip nectar from deep within the blossoms. They also consume insects and spiders for protein. Their feeding habits are what keep them moving. Hummingbirds can't survive long without frequent meals, so they are always on the hunt for their next sugary snack. Fact 6. Superspeed flight. Hummingbirds are not just fast, they are super fast. In normal flight, they can reach speeds of around 30 miles per hour, but during their courtship displays, male hummingbirds have been recorded diving at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. That's almost as fast as a car on a highway. Their speed is a crucial part of their survival, allowing them to escape from predators, defend their territory, and impress potential mates with breathtaking aerial displays. Hummingbirds are like tiny jet planes, zipping through the air at mind-blowing speeds. Fact 7. Migrating champions. For such small birds, hummingbirds are incredible long-distance travelers. Some species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, migrate over 2,000 miles each year, traveling from North America to Central America. One of the most amazing feats of their migration is the non-stop 18-hour flight across the Gulf of Mexico. That's right. These tiny birds make an 18-hour journey without stopping for food, rest, or water. It's hard to believe that such a small creature is capable of such endurance, but hummingbirds have evolved to be the ultimate long-distance flyers. Fact 8. A spectrum of colors. Hummingbirds are known for their dazzling iridescent feathers that shimmer in the sunlight. But here's a little-known fact. Their feathers don't actually have pigment. Instead, the colors you see are the result of microscopic structures in their feathers that refract light, creating a prism-like effect. This means that depending on the angle of the light, a hummingbird can appear to change colors right before your eyes. Their bright, metallic hues are not just beautiful, they also play a role in attracting mates and signaling dominance in territorial disputes. Fact 9. They can't walk. As agile as hummingbirds are in the air, they're not very graceful on the ground. In fact, they can't really walk at all. Their feet are tiny and not well suited for walking or hopping. Instead, hummingbirds use their feet primarily for perching. When they need to move around on a branch, they shuffle awkwardly rather than taking steps. But who needs to walk when you can fly like a hummingbird? These birds have perfected the art of flight, and their small feet are just another fascinating part of their unique anatomy. Fact 10. Masters of memory. Hummingbirds may be small, but their brains are surprisingly large in proportion to their body size. This allows them to have exceptional memories. They can remember which flowers they've visited, how long it takes for each flower to replenish its nectar, and the locations of feeders. This is incredibly useful since they need to visit hundreds of flowers a day to meet their energy needs. Their memory also helps them navigate their migration routes year after year, allowing them to return to the same feeding grounds with pinpoint accuracy. Fact 11. Tongues like straws. The hummingbird's tongue is another marvel of nature. It's long, forked, and can extend far beyond the tip of their beak, allowing them to reach deep into flowers to access nectar. What's even more amazing is how their tongue works. It's covered in tiny hair-like structures that help them lap up nectar at an astonishing rate of about 13 licks per second. Their tongues work like tiny straws, and in the blink of an eye, they can fill their mouths with sugary nectar to fuel their high-energy lifestyle. Fact 12. The only bird that can hover. Hummingbirds are the only birds in the world capable of true hovering, where they can remain perfectly still in midair. This ability is due to their unique wing structure and flight mechanics. Unlike other birds that flap their wings up and down, hummingbirds rotate their wings in a figure-8 pattern, which allows them to generate lift on both the upward and downward strokes. This gives them unparalleled control in the air, allowing them to hover while feeding, performing courtship displays, or fending off intruders. Their hovering ability is one of the many things that make hummingbirds true marvels of the bird world. And there you have it. 15 amazing facts about the incredible hummingbird. Which facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more fascinating nature content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.